Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today I have discussed about your 7th standard. The last chapter is what? First chapter is what? Integer is there. In the integer, the last content is the only division is there. Dear students, in our integers, the addition of integer, subtraction of integer, multiplication of integer is also no problem. The next we can apply we can study about only division of integers are here. Okay. In the integers addition, for example sign conversion only, plus in plus is equal to plus is the, this also holds good, no problem. The next minus plus of plus is equal to biggest number sign, biggest number sign, biggest number sign is the in your addition. Next plus of plus minus is equal to again biggest number sign is the biggest number sign. Next minus plus minus is equal to minus is the, this is addition. And also in the multiplication also here, in the multiplication this one is addition, addition rules. Next multiplication, multiplication we already learned about, no problem. Multiplication means plus into plus is equal to what? Plus into plus means plus. Next opposite sign plus into minus is equal to minus. Next minus into plus is equal to minus. The last one is minus into minus is equal to plus is the. These four rules are only addition to multiplication rules are here, and also subtraction also only apply the multiplication is no problem. The next one is what? In the division, division of integers are here. Before study about the division of integers, you study about only division sign conversion, division plus divided by plus is equal to what? You can take in your mind, these are most important. Plus divided by plus is only plus. Next again minus divided by plus is equal to what? That is minus. Next plus divided by minus is equal to what? Again this also minus. The last one is minus divided by minus is equal to again plus is the same, this like formula same as it is in the division also same is the. These all are division of integers are here. Okay, dear student, you can take some examples on division of integers. Some examples. Example number one, divide minus 3 from divide minus 3 divided by minus 2, minus 3 divided by 2 is like the, therefore solution is the minus 3 divided by minus 2 is the, you can write it in a fractions method, minus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to, our rule is plus is the, otherwise cancellation, minus cancel, only plus 3 by 2 is the, plus 3 by 2, answer is plus 3 by 2, or otherwise next one example number 2, divide minus 8 and plus 4, therefore divide is the minus 8 divided by plus 4 is the, therefore in the ratio minus 8 in the divided by 4 is the, opposite signs are here is equal to minus is also minus is the, 4 ones are 4 2s are 2 is the, answer is minus 2. And also next third example again divide minus 8 divide minus 6 divide and minus 8 and minus 6. Therefore solution is minus 8 is integers divided by minus 6 is the divide sign. Therefore write in a p by q for minus 8 divided by minus 6. First we can cancellation, minus sign cancel, is equal to 8 by 6. Next cancellation is 2 4s are 2 3s are, answer is plus 4 by 3 is the answer is plus 4 by 3. This is third example. Next one is what? You can choose anyone. Therefore example number 4, divide plus 7 and minus 3 plus 7 and minus 3. Therefore solution the first number same as it is minus plus 7 divided by minus 3 is the, therefore plus 7 divided by minus 3 is equal to, opposite signs are here, you can write directly 7 minus 7 by 3 non cancellation same as it is 7 by 3. This is your answer, 7 by minus 7 by 3. Okay, next one you can study about in the properties of division. Properties on the division. Some properties on the division. You know about properties? Closure property, commutative property, associative, distributive, identity also here na. One condition is most important because any number or any integers divided by 1 that is constant. This is most important. Any integers divided by 1 is constant. For example 1, any number divided by 1 is always itself only. Any integer divided by 1 is always itself only. For example, minus 7 divided by 1 is equal to minus 7, same as it is. Or otherwise, minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to minus 3. Or otherwise, minus 81 divided by 4 is the, 1 is the direct minus 81. Or otherwise, plus 27 divided by 1 is equal to plus 27. Therefore, our condition is any integer divided by 1 is itself only given number. This is most important condition. For example, your standard form is what? Standard form is, therefore, a is an integer, a divided by 1 is equal to again a. For example, if a is an integer, a divided by 1 is equal to itself a. This is your first condition. This is your division. Identity also no problem. Got it? The next some concept in your division, we can apply the properties. For example, first one property. The first property is what? Closure property. Closure property is what? If A and B are the integers, then A divided by B also integer. First closure property is holds good in your division. Check yourself for first example. Example number 1. Divide minus 4 and minus plus 2. Do this one. Therefore, if A and B are the integers, then A divided by B is also integers. Integers may or may not be. Sometimes that is integers, sometimes they cannot be integers. For example, this is integer because if A and B, minus 4 is integer, plus 2 is integer also. Therefore, this division, therefore A divided by B is equal to minus 4 divided by plus 2 is equal to minus 4 divided by plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, this minus 2 is also integer. Therefore, if A and B are the integers, then A divided by B also integer. May or may not be integers. Sometimes it is also integer. But another time, example number 2, divide 4 and minus 3. A is 4, B is minus 3 is there. You can check yourself closer property under division. Therefore, A divided by B is equal to A means 4 divided by minus 3 is there is equal to 4 by minus 3 is there. Therefore, minus 4 by 3 is there. But minus 4 by 3 is not an integer. This is the rational number is there. This is not a integer. Therefore, this condition is not forceful. This closure property is not forceful. Got it? In division, any property is not forceful. But your next one is what? Commutative property. Check yourself once again. Commutative property under division. That is also not forceful in your integers. For example, commutative property is what? A divided by B is equal to B divided by A is there. What is? You can check. You can take any one number. Example number 1. A value is 8 and B value is 2 is there. Therefore, these two are integer. Check my condition. A divided by B is equal to B divided by A is there. A value is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 8 is there. Therefore, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 is equal to 1 by 4 is there. These two are not equal. Not equal is there. Got it? Therefore, in the division, any property is not forceful. Closure property is not forceful. Commutative property, associative property, as well as all property are not forceful. Only you can practice only addition. Sorry, only division of integers only. Division of integers only. Next, some examples on division of integers. Next one example. Example number last one example is third one. Divide minus 8 and plus 3 is there. Divide. Therefore, divide is what? Divide minus 8 divided by plus 3 is there. Therefore, minus 8 by 3 plus is equal to minus 8 by 3 is there. This is your answer, dividing method. Okay? Okay, dear student. Next class you can study about more example in your integers. This is your chapter is over. I shall continue next class your new chapter. You practice in your homework some more examples in your exercise. I shall continue next class.